How to change the delivery location on Uber Eats. Let's get started. Launch your Uber Eats app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find this arrow icon. Click on it. Now at the very top, you're going to find your location. Click on it. So this is my current location. You will also find your current location over here. And in order to change your delivery location, what you have to do is search for it. Once your location appears, click on it. Then you have to fill this. Click on this drop down and select your building type. Then you can add the additional details, house number or name. Likewise, you can also select the drop off option, meet at door or hand it to me. Also, you can add a label. After you provide all the details, you can click on save and continue. And with that, your address will be updated. So this is how you can easily change the delivery location of Uber Eats. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.